Hey guys, welcome to Orangecakerecipe. Please, if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much. If you're just coming across this particular channel and this particular recipe, please do well to subscribe and make sure you give me a thumbs up, share if you can, and then God bless you. So we're going to be making orange cake. Here I have a tablespoonful of baking powder. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have a half cup of sugar. I have here, this is my homemade orange juice. I expressed this particular juice from 4 pieces of oranges. That's how I got this particular juice. Now this is half cup of oil. Then I have 4 large eggs here. Are they really large? I think they're medium. 4 medium eggs here. So right now we're going to start to mix. I'm going to be adding my eggs here. I've added my egg. I'm going to add the oil. I'm going to add the orange juice. Add the sugar. Then I will start mixing. So I've been mixing for like 5 minutes now, and I want to add some vanilla essence. Just half tablespoon. So I have my flour here, and I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then I'll whisk just to incorporate the baking powder into the flour. Now it's time to mix the whole thing. Add the flour to the liquid mixture, and I'll be adding in batches. Meanwhile, my oven is already preheating. Then the last batch. Yes, this is good. So I have already put parchment paper on my baking pan. So what I'm going to do now, I want to lace it with some oil. I want to lace it with some oil. And then I will also add some flour in it, just to be sure. I mean, it's going to come out effortlessly. Then we remove the extra flour. So we've removed the extra flour. So we're going to put in our butter into the baking pan. The butter is a little more for the size of the pan, but I don't have, the pan I have is the biggest size, so I can't use it for this. Remember, this is orange cake. I used 1 full cup of orange juice, homemade actually. I expressed the orange by myself. I juiced it myself. So we're going to give it a little tap to make sure there is no room for so much air. At this point, you can decide to add your zest if you want to add, just on top of it. This is my orange zest. I can decide to make just a little scrapings of the zest on the butter. So we are ready to go into the oven. Sorry, I'm not going in with the butter. The butter is ready to go into the oven. I'll see you soon. So we want to just get it out. Wow. Wow, this is so lovely. I mean, it's so lovely. This is orange cake. Remember, all the details I'm going to be putting in the description below, and make yours and let me know. This particular This is so lovely. So lovely.